Do you know many people are having trouble with keeping their vacuum cleaners at peak performance? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Clean monthly. Ensure optimal suction by cleaning your Dyson Ball Animal 3 filters every month. Step 2. Remove filters. Remove the filters from the vacuum cleaner following the disassembly process. Step 3. Rinse filters. Rinse the filters under cold water until the water runs clear, avoiding detergents. Step 4. Air dry. Shake the filters gently to remove water, then let them air dry for 24 hours. Step 5. Reassemble filters. Once completely dry, reassemble the filters into the vacuum for continued use. By following these steps, your Dyson Ball Animal 3 will maintain its powerful suction and performance. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dyson users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.